In this video, I'll show you how to fix Canva slow loading issues. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Canva takes a long time to load. Try running a speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then find the option to clear browsing data. Remove cached images, files, and cookies, then restart your browser and open Canva again. Another thing you can try is switching networks. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try using mobile data through a hotspot. If you're already using mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and see if performance improves. You can also try opening Canva in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. Finally, if Canva is still loading slowly, try connecting to a VPN and then reopen Canva. In some cases, network routing issues can affect loading speeds, and a VPN may help. And that's how you can fix Canva slow loading issues. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.